This is Maths with Jade, and I'm going to show you a mathematical proof that 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. To do this, I'm going to use two variables a and b, and they are equal to each other. Now I'm going to multiply both of them by a, so I get ab is equal to a squared. Now I'm going to subtract b squared from both sides. I get ab minus b squared, and that is equal to a squared minus b squared. This is the hardest part. I'm going to factorise both sides. And the highest common factor of ab and minus b squared is b. So when I remove that b as a factor, I'm left with a minus b. The other side is much harder to factorise. It's actually the difference of two squares which factorises to this. And don't worry if you haven't learnt this already, I promise you can take my word for it. Some of you might notice that there is an a minus b on both sides. So let's divide by that. And I'm left with b is equal to a plus b. And now I'm going to add a to both sides, even though it makes no logical sense to do so. I was born free in this world. So as long as I keep both sides equal, I have every right to do whatever I want. And I get b plus a is equal to a plus b plus a. In the beginning of this, I said that b is equal to a, so I'm going to use that to replace my b's with a's. Now I'm going to factorise this side. And I take out a and I'm left with 1 plus 1. And I'm going to group together the a's on the other side and I get 3a. Now I'm going to divide by a, and here is the big finale. 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. So the next time somebody tries to tell you it's as simple as 1 plus 1, make sure to grab a pen and paper and tell them, actually, it's not simple at all. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Maths with Jade. If you enjoyed this video, please do hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Share this video and feel free to comment below. How and why does this mathematical proof work? And what mathematical proofs do you know? See you next time.